Today's video we will see how to fix the Xfinity xFi ports not working or connecting, full troubleshooting and reset guide. So to fix your Xfinity xFi port not connecting, first restart both the pod and your gateway. Next, ensure the pod is plugged into an active outlet for 20 to 30 feet away from the gateway. Clear for furniture. Finally, run the Xfinity app to complete the setup process. Now the fix one, physical placement and power. So the step 1, clear the obstacles. Ensure the pod is not hiding behind large furniture, curtains or large metal object. Next, step 2, avoid light switches. Verify that the outlet is not controlled by a wall switch that could accidentally cut power. The step 3, distance. For initial activation, plug the pod roughly 20-30 feet away from the xFi gateway in the same room. Next, fix 2, factory reset and repair. If the pod refuses to come online, locate the small reset button on the device. Now use a paper clip to press and hold the buttons for 10 seconds. Now wait for the LED lights on the pod to flash indicating it has reset to factory default. Now open the Xfinity app and go to more, add a device xFi port to start the setup fresh. Next, fix 3, app specific solution. So step 1, manually enter. If the app struggles to find the ports via Bluetooth, decline the Bluetooth request and use the manual serial number entry options found on the back of the pod. Step 2, cache clear. Log out of the Xfinity app to clear the phone cache and log back into the bypass persistence configuration error. Step 4, Ethernet backhaul wired. If you are still struggling with wireless connectivity, connecting the pod to the xFi gateway directly via an Ethernet cable. If your model supported during setup, can bypass wireless pairing issues and ensure the strong possible link. Goodbye, thanks for watching.